The supermarket has everything. Mom, what's happening? It's an earthquake. Hide. Mom, where are you? What do I do now? Could you help me find a hiding place? Chelsea Falls. Please stay away. Anywhere. The elevator may fall during an earthquake. Don't hide in there. Anywhere. Hiding by the cash register is also safe. And stay away from the coolers with glass doors. It might break and cut you. Anywhere else? Staying by the column is a relatively safe choice in a supermarket. You are correct. During an earthquake, we can hide by the post and the cash register. Let's go hide. Oh no, the power is out. Here is a flashlight. Pillow. Water. Bread. Corn. A flashlight can help me see my surroundings. While I'm waiting for the rescue crew, a pillow can protect my head. Next, I need... Yeah! A towel can prevent dust from entering the lungs. Good. I'm better now. I'm thirsty. Water can keep me hydrated.
Anyone in here?
What?
I found you. I will get you out. Your mom is waiting for you.
Really? Mommy! Are you all right? Don't worry. I protected myself during the earthquake.